in this video, I will show you how to delete WordPress website and start over. So in order to do that, we first need to head over on this all sites right here. So let's head back. And then from in here, we can see all the sites that we have on our WordPress. So I want to delete this particular site. What I can do is I can click on this three dots right here, click on the settings. And then once I have done that, I should be able to scroll down all the way to the bottom until I can see this delete your site permanently. So let's click on this one. And then in here, I just need to type the WordPress below, which is this one. So for me, I'll just copy it because that's easier. And then click on this delete site. Then as you can see, it's being deleted. And once it's done, it should not be able to appear again. So as you can see, it's been deleted. And we have now redirected to another site that we have. So if you want to add or start over a new site, click on this add new site right here in order to create the new site that you want to use for your WordPress. And then from in here, you can just choose which domains you want to use for this one. They have some blogs, alternatives, and all of these things that you have. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.